Hi guys, the last two times I've recorded this, the storage has been full, which you can see what I can see, a tiny little bird right in front of me on the fence. Oh, bless, I daren't move. Hello. Oh, careful, my cat's around. Hey, Fina. Oh dear. God, you're brave. Still sat there. Can you hear it? Sat on the fence or something. Hey, Fina. She's not sitting there. Hello. How are you? Yeah, you've been watching me. I know I'm daft to bed. Ew. Oh, you're really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, you're really pretty. You're gorgeous, aren't you? Getting very brave. I daren't move my hand in the camera because one movement and I think it will just fly off. Oh, is that he or she? Is that tiny? Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, it's literally about smaller than this. Smaller, literally about, yeah, that tiny. And it had something in its mouth. Anyway, I have to keep an eye on the camera because I don't have much storage left. That bird just flew off. Right. Noisy road. I wrote this poem today. It's about a fox. Now, before I get going with the poem, I'm well aware that obviously I'm a furniture artist and he's back again. I'll just carry on. Shall I read you the poem? I shall get on with it. Shall I get on with it? It's about a fox. He passes by when you're asleep. You may not see him, for he is quick. His gentle soul, misunderstood, but just like us, he wants what's good. A path to walk, one that's clear, mankind his friend, not to be feared. And I wrote that just today, while sitting out here for my lunch. Yes, you're very brave, little one. My cat's right underneath you on the ground. Fina, come here. Fina, you need to fly away, quick bird. Yes, I know, you can see it. Oh, tiny. I think the bird's actually telling Athena to bugger off. Pardon my French. Yes, good for you. It's chasing my cat on the fence, going along the fence, looking down at my cat, as if to say, go away. I'm trying. Very windy today, as you can see. Just thought I've just finished my lunch outside, so I had a break from painting. I thought I'd just do a quick vlog, so I'm just trying to get comfortable. You're gorgeous, aren't you? one movement and I think it will just fly off. Oh, is that, he or she, is that tiny? Oh, it's gone now. Yeah, it's literally about smaller than this, smaller, literally about, yeah, that tiny. And it had something in its mouth. Anyway, getting distracted. Yay, I've managed to get the bird on film. See, I'm not just talking to myself. So beautiful. And my cat is literally, can't see her now, she's down there in that shadow. Where's he gone? There he is again. Fina, leave it alone. Oh, that bird is really getting ferocious. Like, go on, go away. Swearing at my cat. That is one determined little birdie. Go. I cannot believe my cat just ran away from that bird. Unbelievable. Aren't you brave? Aren't you? Yes, you. Gorgeous little thing, aren't you? This is my home, he says. What shall I call you? Everyone, yeah. Oh well, off he goes. I'm determined to get this done today, this vlog. I do get distracted sometimes when I'm doing stuff like this. I mean, that bird was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Anyway, yeah, so I read the poem. He's back again. Oh, I'll just carry on. I'll try not to get distracted. Right, so yeah, I'm well aware that my furniture project I'm working on currently is taking, you'll see why eventually why it's taking me so long, because there's a lot of detail. So sorry, blowing my hair in my face here. Oh well. So what was I going to say? This is what happened when my brain goes blank. It's a dyspraxic. Yeah, so I'm using so many different mediums on this Victorian wash unit. It's supposed to be old, but it's old style, but you know. I took the cheap MDF board off the back because I thought it looked cheap, and I believe in quality. And I've been brought up to, you know, make things last long by using quality things, you know, supplies. So, oh crikey, I'm terrible today. My brain is just keeps like going off. It's strange because when this happens, I talk about something and it's just always like my brain just shuts off and goes on walkabout. So what was I have to keep reminding myself to focus again. What was I talking about? So what was it again? Right, please bear with me. Mediums on this wash unit. I'm influenced by Beatrix Potter and William Morris. So I'm trying to encapsulate that together, and whilst maintaining a 19th century style. The else is going to make it very luxurious. finished or just, you know, not good enough. So that is what I've been doing. I've also got two bedside units, bedside cabinets, small ones. One of which is my own personal one, which is like that bright turquoise colour. And I think I showed that in my previous vlog and one of my photos on Instagram. For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, if you want to head on over, because I do put things in the story part, like short videos and photographs and stuff. I am under Amy Lawrence at Wildcraft, and Amy is not spelled A-M-Y, it's A-I-M-E-E. That bird keeps coming back. Yeah, so I've had to delete a few things to get more storage on my phone, because I'm really lacking storage at the moment. So what keeps happening is I think it's filming and it shuts itself off because I haven't got enough storage, and then I'm talking to myself. But luckily it's still filming at the moment. So yeah, I've had my lunch out here today. My cat was with me earlier. I went and got a cushion for her, and then she decided she wanted to stay in after all because it was too windy. Bless her. I'm thoroughly enjoying being creative. I'm so grateful I've got this creative side, because I think by now I would have gone like really bored. It's been really good for mental health, having a creative side. So if you are someone that doesn't go on YouTube that much and you're wondering, like I used to, where are the comments? Where's the bit where I can write comments? It's if you are on your computer, if you're on your TV, I can't figure out how to do it on your TV, but if you're on your mobile or laptop, you scroll down underneath the little box where the video is. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see where people are writing comments, and if you click on the right at the top bit, if you're a member of YouTube, you'll be able to click in and put a comment, and then I will get back to you. I will try my best to get back to you as quick as possible. I do go on, oh yes, a few recommendations if you're a YouTuber. TubeBuddy is a fantastic app for analytics and keywords and tags and thumbnails, which is like the screen you see on the menu. Anyway, hi guys, another journey out to the co-op, journey back, here we go, squeeze. Oh, his hair is so beautiful. Little one. I think it thinks if it stands still like a statue, that it just, yeah, I'm looking at you. No. Oh, little one, I'm going to leave you now. Off you go. Oh, I feel so lucky to have seen that. Beautiful. You don't know what you're going to see, as my mum would say, if you go a different route. Hi Mum, if you're watching this vlog. Hope you're keeping busy with your baking and your gardening. This is actually on the right here, this, all the fields along here, a couple of years ago, is where I saw the wild hares playing, about 6 of them. Of course it was like 8:30 in the evening. I just pulled up in my car. Beautiful day today. I was gonna sing along then, but I daren't subject you to that torture. I'm determined to sort that vlog out at some point, but I don't want to use up all my spare time just figuring out computers and vlog tech. I don't know, you know, when I need to be getting some art done, so I will try and get another vlog up as soon as I can. If you're watching this now, obviously I've figured it out. Get home with a nice cup of tea. Oh crikey, there's a big lorry coming up. Let's quickly get down here on the left, pull over. I'll just pause it a minute. And this is the fun bit. Reversing in. Woo. I'm not going to go over into the ditch. Luckily I don't have to twist my neck at all because of my back. Towards getting there. Turn the music off. Normally I do park a lot better than that. It's just if I'm rushed, then it's not good. People are always in such a rush these days. Just slow down. And this is the bit of furniture that I am cleaning. Got my hose to fill up with water because I can't carry any, so then afterwards that will be emptied out on the weeds down there. I've got to say, I'm going to be sitting on this bench to do it. So we sat there cleaning it. Saw me doing a time lapse, or you will see me doing a time lapse. This squirt lamp. Here's a got some wood filler, and I'm just going down the cracks with this, although in the future I will be using Dixie mud from Dixie Belle when I can get hold of some. Thought it was a lovely day, so I'll sit out here and do this. I'm sitting on the bench, so that's why I'm able to do this, and it's just leaning on its side. So, because I'm a firm believer in, if something is even slightly cracked or looking a bit, you know, like this crack at the top was gaping open before, you just you slot it in there, go along, put your finger like that with a wet bit, run it along, and that takes the excess off. And you end up with a tidy job. I thought I'd do this bit today, and then do the rest. I've got to decide tonight which colour I'm going to paint it. And I've also found some paint runs from when whoever last painted it, where I bought it from. So I'm going to wet it. I'm going to use some sandpaper. I'm going to try the soft one first. And I've got this little jig. Undo it. Paper, so I'm going to get rid of. God, there's a lot of. I don't know if that's just that. Hang on. Let's wipe that again. I'll see where because there was some big lumps going down. I hate that. It's better to put a thin coat of paint on than blob it on. Water dripping. A little paint drip there and there. God, dearie me. And there. The pheasants in the distance. One paint drip off. That's better. Nothing worse than a paint drip. Soak it. Oh, that's a bit rough as well. When people paint, say, down the sides and it leaves a great big glob of paint going over that way, and you have to end up sanding it off. Really sand. There's so many lumps and bumps. I'm going to sand that whole bit. Started drawing on with pencil, so I'm going to get that off. Give me a bit of sandpaper, so you get sand over this picture that I don't want. I'll just put the paper so it's over the edge. It's easier. I'm just going to wet the top. And wipe. It goes down like that. The top of this chair isn't like completely flat. Don't know if that will focus. Yeah. see where it's gone in the cracks on the top. And if there's going to be a big difference in the surface, you just get some filler out, but I'm trying to smooth that down. Oh, maniacs around there on the road. Go way too fast. Treat this road like a sand that smooth. Out of all these patches, because I'm going to I'll fill that with filler and that bit there, and I'll go along there, just moisten my it doesn't matter. Slip it in. Phones. Let's keep that up. You see what I mean? Yeah, we'll look a mess at the moment until I come along. That's the one. It does a short little ring sound and then it does its tune. I think I looked it up last night and it said on Google that it's a blackbird or a starling. Yeah, I think I'll just let that dry for tonight, leave it. Because these bits, if I go along it whilst it's wet, it will pull it off. But if it's in a crevice, it's different. It tends to stay in. So, a very quick vlog. I absolutely love the Apache helicopters. Can't see them at the moment. Oh, there it is. In the distance. That's gone off now. The Apache helicopters, absolutely love them. That's just the road then in the background. Sky's looking absolutely gorgeous with the sun ray, or whatever you call it, sun rays shining through the clouds. I think they're going back to wherever they came from. They were flying around earlier for quite a while, yesterday afternoon, and they came back late, around midnight. I don't mind because I love listening to them. It's the only aircraft I'm mad about. I'm not into aircraft whatsoever, just the Apache. I did actually ring up and ask if I'd be breaking the law by filming them, and apparently not. However, I am going to double check because they gave me another number to call tomorrow morning. So, birds are having fun. Sky is rather dark, obviously. Yeah. So if the Apaches come back, hopefully they'll come back and I'll get a closer zoom in and a better picture. So still getting used to looking at the camera and not not my face. Yeah, so sorry, there's a wasp in my cottage. Anyway, what was I about to say? Yeah, I'm just about to edit the vlog. So see you soon. Toodaloo. Hello, Fina. Oh, that's I'm not coming in, look. You don't have to come in yet. You good girl. Oh, hang on. Forgot to video. You good girl, Fina. Eh? You don't have to come in yet, don't worry. You can quickly see some of the other self-seeded snapdragons there. Just to show you, Mum, hanging basket's doing well. Oh yes, there's some buds. There you are, Mum. That's a geranium in the hanging basket. Update for you. And there. Say hi, guys. Fina. And that's how well they're doing. I have lots of verbena. It's my favourite. One of my favourites. And Aqualecia. Let's see where. Yeah, straight ahead. And I've got a deadhead a few of these roses tonight.